Today we're celebrating Maverick's 16th birthday. He turned 16 on the 12th of this month, but we had to find a day where Chelsea wasn't working and it worked out for everybody. And so today we're going to be celebrating his birthday at Pizza Hut in Topeka. And I don't know how many people are going to be there, but there's going to be quite a bit of people. And so I was thinking I would like to take you guys, my subscribers, with me to celebrate this special day, because it only comes once. So you have a few minutes to decide, and if you decide you're going to go, meet me in the driveway. Awesome, you showed up. Well, come on, in the back, and we'll head on up to Topeka at Pizza Hut, and we'll have fun. Have some cake, have some ice cream. Man, I'm sure glad that you came along. Are you having fun walking around? Yeah? Having fun? Not everybody's here yet, so we're waiting for everybody to show up. Should be about another, I don't know, 7 minutes or something like that. And then they'll get the pizza out here.
That's why I have Maverick, because you guys think it's helpful, but with remembering stuff. Yeah.
Well, we got our pizza and our pop. We got more pizza to come, though. Everybody's drinking a little bit. Andrew's chatting over there really good. Yes, you should. Yeah. Got all the plates. There's Sarah. Carrie, you gonna draw? You got a crown. Where'd you get that? Oh, okay. Cool. Peyton's drawing. Get up there and sit down. Everybody's here now. Look who went and got a salad. Yummy. Here's Sarah's salad. Andrew's salad. Different kind of dressing. I don't like that dressing.
Ranch and thyme.
Oh, you got both. Awesome. I'm glad everybody could show up. Here's some pizza for you. And I'll bring the cake soon, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maverick. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, my son. I want to get closer. Yay! Catch everybody. One more circle and then that's it. Like, so here's some cake right here. So thank you for coming to the party. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. And God bless.